Let's build the letter E together, piece by piece. Uppercase E and lowercase e. Can you say E with me? E. Are you ready for a fun mystery? Look closely. Something is hiding behind the tree. Can you guess what starts with the letter E? I see something gray. Do you know what it is? Wow, it's an elephant.
Oh.
Elephant starts with the letter E. Let's try again. Oh, it looks round and white. Can you guess it? Yes, it's an egg. Egg starts with the letter E. Wait, there is another one. It's an eagle. Eagle also starts with the letter E. E. E for elephant. E. E for egg. E. E for eagle. Let's start with the uppercase E. Ready? Let's trace together.
Oh.
E. Make a small curve and go around to form the letter E. Awesome, you did it. E. E. Wonderful work. Now let's have more fun. Place the clay on uppercase E and lowercase e.
Oh.
E. E for egg. Great job. Wow, it looks amazing. Letter E is hidden here. We will search the letter E and color it.
Oh.
Oh, look, it is forming the shape of letter E. 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 We will color the uppercase E with the pink color and lowercase e with the green color.
O.
E. Let's match the uppercase E with the lowercase e.
O.
Not a match. Oh. You matched the uppercase E with the lowercase e. Great job, kids. Please subscribe to KidsMV for more ABC fun.
Click subscribe, come and play with KidsMV every day.